June 5th, 2026. Brooke Rolston visiting, a longtime interfaith education colleague, succinctly put. Hi, Brooke. I called him Your Grace for many years.
You have.
Okay, this is my most recent artwork, my third artwork about Facebook.
Oh. Oh.
Sightseeing with Dignity 62.
Wow.
I'm going to point out a few things in there. This will work.
Okay.
These two girls were twin sisters. They were 13. They may still be alive. In 1939, they were on the sailing ship St. Louis, which left Hamburg in 1939 for Canada. Yes. And then the U.S. The Americans and Canadians didn't accept any of the passengers. They were all German Jewish.
Yes.
The Cubans took a few. The ship went back to Europe. The British took a number of them, all of whom survived the war, and all the others who ended up back in Germany, most of whom perished in the camps. And anyway, blocking my use of still posted pages.
Yes.
And more.
And more. Since.
Site is German for since.
Since. Right.
Since December 27, 2021, Facebook Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg
is an anti-Semite Holocaust apologist.
Blah.
Blah.
We have 3 pieces of a lino cut I did years ago about Primo Levi.
Primo Levi, the chemist. Yeah. Yes, and the chemical.
We have a whole number of allegorical sea monsters.
You do.
This woman here was 48. She was a librarian. There was what the media and government calls a mass shooting, which I call a terrorism attack, at a library in New Mexico. I think it was in 2017. She died. She was shot to death, and a library circulation services assistant was also shot to death, who I've depicted in a separate previous Sightseeing Dignity series artwork. Her name was Chris, I forget her last name now. Mm-hmm. And a third portrait here, or fourth portrait, 2 and 2, 3.
Yes.
This is Elie Wiesel's mother.
Oh.
She perished at Auschwitz. Augen auf.
Augen auf. Eyes open, right?
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
I have on my kitchen door, I have a flyer I picked up in the Jewish old folks home in Vienna, Austria, where I went to visit Alex Schwartz after he moved back to Vienna.
I remember
in the late 1990s. It was on my way to my first teaching trip to Israel.
Yes.
And the flyer was for residents, and I was able to get a copy of it.
Yes.
So about to keep alert, in case of bombs and strange people, explosives, whatever.
Yes.
And that's why I have eyes here.
Right.
And another allegorical sea monster. And we have Gursky.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
I'd forgotten about the librarian murdered.
And what you call a mass shooting.
A mass shooting.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And I've never seen a drawing of Elie Wiesel's mother before.
Oh.
Thank you. I met him at least once when he spoke at the University of Washington.
Yeah, I was there too.
Wow. Same evening, maybe.
And I met him in Jerusalem at a conference. He spoke at the closing ceremonies, and we shook hands.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dear God. Wow. This is most touching. The twin sisters.
I have to go to the U.S. Holocaust Museum website and see if they're still alive. They would have been around 13 in 1939. So they would have been born around 1926.
So it's possible.
It's possible, yeah.
Goodness.
And I forget their names now, but I have it written down.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, we're very long here. We got 4.5 minutes.
Longer than you want.
Thanks, Brooke.
Yeah. You're welcome, Akiva.
Can you stand